to my channel Beauties Crown. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get that soft pulpy lips in winter season, how to remove that dry and chapped lips. So let's get started. So beauties, firstly as you can see I'm wearing this lipstick and I'm going to remove it, and for that here I'm taking this Blanche Greek yogurt cleansing milk and my cotton pad. Removing lipstick, you can see I'm having that dryness on my lips. So for this, firstly I'm taking this Nickel lip scrub from Balm and I'm going to scrub my lips. Lip scrubbing is really important. It has strawberry flavor. Oh, it smells too good. And I'm going to scrub my lips. Scrubbing is important because it removes all the dead cells and impurities from your lips, making it very soft, very supple and very good. It removes that darkness from your lips too, making your lips very pink. So after scrubbing you can see my lips. They are so soft and so pink also. So beauties, our next step is applying lip balm or lip butter. For lip butter here I am taking this aloe vera lip butter. It's in the flavor mango. So do this process in night, because after it you can just go for sleep and next morning you will see your lips will become so good, so pulpy and so soft. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. Do follow me on Instagram. I love you so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.